how to make a logo in free of cost using your Android smartphone. It's very easy. Today I'll teach you how to create logo in your Android smartphone. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store. Okay, then after that you have to search logo maker. Okay, logo maker. Then there is lots apps available, but I have this one. This app is developed by logo questions logics, and I have already downloaded, but I need to update this one. But if you didn't have installed this application, you have to download first. Okay, then after that you have to see, you can see here it have more than 1 million plus downloads. Okay, and it have 4.0 ratings. It have more than 3,000 reviews also, and you can see this app is developed by questions logics. Okay, after this you have to open your apps. Now I am typing in the open. Then there is two options, one is create, another is org, and now I'm clicking in the create, and here is the all the options you available. Okay, so you can click here. Okay, just wait for a moment, and you can choose the shape from here. I think if you want a triangle, then you can drag a triangle, and if you want another shape, yeah, you can drag like this. Okay, and if you want to choose the color, see, you can fill the color also, and you can fill the color. Just wait for a moment. Yeah, you can choose any kinds of color from here. Okay, so I think, yeah, like this. Yeah, now after this you can put the text also. So I am putting okay, and you can choose lots font from here also if you want. Just wait for a moment. I will select all. I can choose this kind of text also from here, and after this you can see here the text is come, right? And from here yeah, you can see there is lots interesting fonts available, but you have to choose this one. Okay, and after this you can go here also, and just wait for a moment. Yeah, you can choose lots shapes from here. Yeah, if you want to choose this kind of shape also, yeah, you can choose like this, and you can change the color also like this. Okay, so if you want this color, yeah, you have to choose like this. Okay, now you can choose another kinds of lots shapes available here, and if you want just wait for a moment. I'm choosing the right shape for this one. Yeah, so I'm putting this one. See, okay, yeah, now you can increase and decrease this one also. So I'm putting this one here, and I'm putting the shape also from here. So I'll change the color, this one. And I'll put on the shape. I think I have to choose this one again, and I have to rotate this one like this. See, you can make this kind of logo. If you have more idea about how to create logo, here is lots shapes available. You can use this one, and you can customize this one also, but you have to choose any kind of. Just wait for a minute. I think I need to make this kind of. Which one is good? I think this one is good, right? No, I think this one is good. This one is good, and I will change the color also. From the color palette, I think I need to make it white. Yeah, I think this is not looking good. That's why I'll remove this one. From the shape, I think I need to choose another one. Yeah, this one is maybe good. Like this. From the color, I'll choose this type of color. Like this, and I'll choose another color also. So sorry, I'll choose another shape also. From here, I'll rotate this one like this, and I'll decrease the size of the shape like this. Okay, like this. And I think this is the color is not looking good. That's why I need to change the color also. I think this is the good. Yeah, I think I should change this one also. And I think I need to change the color. This one also. Okay. I think this one is good, right? So I am putting this one here. Yeah, this one is looking good. Yeah, you can make like this any kinds of logo from this app. Just I give the example. You can make any kinds of logo from here, but Just wait for a moment. You can make this kind of logo in this application, which is in free of cost. If you want to also try this application, you can try. Hoping you like this video, and if you want more this kind of video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I'll meet with you in another video, but don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. I'll meet with you in another video. Thank you so much and goodbye.